Huacachina, Peru. Huacachina is a small oasis town located in the Inca region of southwestern Peru. It is situated about 5 kilometers, 3 miles, southwest of the city of Inca and approximately 300 kilometers, 186 miles, south of Lima, the capital of Peru. Huacachina is a popular tourist destination known for its stunning desert landscape, natural oasis, and recreational activities. Number 1. Oasis. The town is built around a small natural oasis, which is surrounded by towering sand dunes. The oasis is a picturesque site with palm trees and a lagoon in the center. Legend has it that the oasis was created when a young woman was bathing and was discovered by a young hunter. When she fled, the pool of water she had been bathing in turned into the oasis. Number 2. Sandboarding and dune buggies. One of the main attractions in Huacachina is sandboarding and dune buggying on the nearby sand dunes. Tourists can rent sandboards and take thrilling rides down the steep dunes, which can be a heart-pounding adventure. Number 3. Desert tours. Visitors can take guided desert tours to explore the surrounding desert landscape. These tours often include activities like sandboarding, dune buggying, and watching the sunset from the top of the dunes. Number 4. Relaxation. Many tourists visit Huacachina to relax and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere of the oasis. You can sit by the lagoon, have a picnic, or take a leisurely stroll around the oasis. Number 5. Nightlife. Despite its small size, Huacachina has a vibrant nightlife scene. There are several bars and restaurants where you can enjoy drinks, live music, and socialize with other travelers. Number 6. Photography. The unique desert oasis surrounded by massive sand dunes makes Huacachina a favorite spot for photographers looking to capture the breathtaking scenery. Number 7. Desert ecosystem. The desert around Huacachina is home to various species of flora and fauna adapted to arid conditions. It's an interesting place to observe desert plants and wildlife. Number 8. Adventure activities. Huacachina is an adventure seeker's paradise. The adrenaline-pumping activities, such as sandboarding and dune buggying, are some of the main draws for tourists. The combination of these activities in a unique desert environment sets Huacachina apart. Number 9. Natural beauty. The contrast between the oasis, the surrounding sand dunes, and their blue sky is incredibly photogenic. The natural beauty of the area has made it a favorite spot for photographers and Instagrammers looking to capture the breathtaking scenery. Number 10. Unique legend. The legend of how the oasis was formed adds to its mystique and charm. According to local folklore, the oasis was created when a young woman bathing in the lagoon was discovered by a young hunter. As she fled, the pool of water she had been bathing in turned into the oasis. This legend has become a part of the town's identity. Number 11. Tourism hub. Huacachina has gained popularity as a tourist hub, attracting visitors from all over the world. Its reputation has grown through word of mouth, travel blogs, and social media, making it one of Peru's most famous and unique destinations. Overall, Huacachina is a must-visit destination for adventure enthusiasts and travelers looking for a unique desert experience in Peru. It offers a combination of adrenaline-pumping activities and natural beauty in a stunning desert setting. In summary, Huacachina, Peru, is famous for its natural oasis, adventure activities, striking desert landscape, and vibrant nightlife. It has become a must-visit destination for travelers seeking thrilling experiences in a breathtaking desert setting.